Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna actually be doing something a little bit different for the first time, which I'm excited about. I know that there's tons of videos out there on how to grow your hair faster, like do this, do that, all these like weird gimmicks and weird vitamins, and you don't need any of it. So I'm gonna show you how I took my hair from this to how long it is right now in about a year. And it's really simple, so let's get right into it. So I had my hair the length you saw for about like 5 years. I really liked it for a while, but then honestly I felt like I was stuck with that because I would get so discouraged when I would try to grow it out, because it was so annoying because my hair is wavy, so like as it would start to hit my shoulders it would do like this weird octopus flip. That's what I called it, at least, which would drive me insane. And whilst I had my hair so short, I felt that I needed to constantly be straightening it, which really wasn't helping me at all. And was really annoying because it's a step that I don't need to be doing. So naturally my hair is like this, sometimes a little bit more wavy. It just depends. Whatever. My hair is not perfectly straight. So having the short hair, I needed to straighten it. And I just literally couldn't take it anymore. So I finally said, I've had enough. And I buckled down and I said, we're going to grow my hair. I'm not going to cut it. No matter what happens, no matter how crazy the octopus flip is going to drive me, we're gonna get past that point. So whatever point that your hair is at right now, just know you can do this, okay? I am here to tell you, you can get past it, and you don't need any crazy stuff, any weird fucking oil treatments on your scalp, rubbing rice water, like, no. Like, you just need to have patience and take care of the hair that's on your head right now. So first off, I have notes down here. I always write notes. So yes, number one, I finally decided that I was going to stop using heat because it was getting me nowhere. It was only damaging the hair that I already had on my head, which I wanted to grow, so it was kind of like, I don't know. So I just gave up with that. And you will get used to it in time. I know it's going to drive you crazy at first. So I don't blow dry my hair ever, because I just can't be bothered, and it honestly makes it look so much worse. So if I just like leave my hair alone after the steps I tell you after a shower, the less I touch my hair, the better, because it's wavy, so you know, you gotta like do certain things. So I stopped using heat. I honestly right now don't even straighten my hair, maybe twice a month, maybe, just because like I honestly just want to see how much it's grown. But like I'm pretty comfortable now with where my natural hair is at, which is really nice to not have to worry about like styling my hair. So when I'm in the shower, I love to use either stuff by L'Oreal or Dove. Again, it's not expensive. You can get it literally at Walgreens, Target, like it's not anything crazy, and it works really good. So something like this, I'll put a picture here because I didn't want to take it out of my shower because I don't know, it's kind of gross. So I just used regular shampoo and conditioner when I get out of the shower. After that, I always use a leave-in conditioner before I even comb my hair or anything. So I would use something like this, but I ran out. So I've been using this. It's just another leave-in conditioner. It's just not in a spray form. I like the spray ones better. I have to get a new one for sure, but this works just as fine, just to add some more moisture back in there. And you definitely, when your hair is wet, you want to use a wide tooth comb. Okay, be gentle with the hair that is already on your head. So I just comb my hair out after I put the leave-in conditioner in. Then I take like a regular brush it lightly, and then I part it with like a rat tail comb. And then I take some of this oil. Sorry, my nails are so disgusting, hence again why I'm doing a hair video right now, and I've been wanting to, so it's kind of like the perfect chance to do so. We're not going to get into what went on with my nails. Maybe we will. Let me know if you care, and then we will. So you want to get yourself some kind of hair oil, and I would just like put it on the ends. I put it on the ends, make sure it's like everywhere. I comb it through maybe again, and then this stuff, oh my gosh, this got to be styling glue. It is so strong and so sticky. I literally take like a pea-sized drop, maybe a pea-sized drop, and I rub it in my hands, and I make sure I get like the top of my hair and like over here, and it just like smooths my flyaways like really great. I love this stuff, and this bottle is huge, so it's gonna last you a really long time. I guess if you have hair like mine, I don't know what kind of hair you have, but figure out how to work with your natural hair. It's going to save your life, okay? So I use this. We're all brushed, we're all moisturized. The claw clip, guys. This is my everything, because I don't like using like rubber bands. They leave dents in your hair, which drive me crazy, and it looks really stupid. Scrunchies are a little bit better, but this, especially also when I had my short hair, I would try my best to get it up in one of these, and then like bobby pin the back up, whatever would stick out that wouldn't be able to fit in here. And this just like kept my hair out of my way, kept it down, let me not think about it as much, because, you know, it's a torturous process, okay? But you can do it. You can do it. So get yourself a claw clip. Work with your natural hair. And it's gonna take time. But you'll be surprised if you really stick to it. Like, it goes fast. Like, I'm pretty surprised how much my hair has grown in a year. And I bleach my hair, so, yeah. For a while there, as you see, I had pink hair, whatever. I then kind of like tried to get that to fade. I just left it for a while. Then I did like little highlights. And then I went to starting going like completely blonde. And I used the Schwarzkopf Blonde Me system. I know it's expensive. But again, it literally causes no breakage. Like, I wash my hair and none of my hair falls out. Like, it's so near to my heart, guys. So if you bleach your hair, like, I know it's expensive, but definitely give it a try. So what else do I have on my list? Yes, well, like I said, it's just gonna be patience, and honestly, kind of, I guess genetics play a part, but whatever. I think all of our hair grows at a similar pace, so you're just gonna have to deal with it until it grows. I wouldn't buy any crazy vitamins. I wouldn't do any crazy things or like crazy scalp massages. Like, they just don't. It just takes time. If you cut your hair and you want it long, you're just gonna have to wait to grow it back, unless you get extensions. Like, that's all. So, I mean, obviously drink water. Like, that doesn't hurt. Like, I'm sure regular vitamins help, but you need to have patience. It will happen, and I love you guys, and I hope that this was helpful in some way. It was definitely fun to film something a little bit different. If you're still here, comment me down below an emoji of scissors. I think scissors exist. They have to, but if they don't, just leave me some hearts down below and I'll know you were here. And I was thinking I also want to do like a vanity tour, a makeup vanity tour, because like I showed you my nail room obviously, because this is mostly a nail content channel, but I think that could be fun too. Let me know what you think, and let me know what you think about like my go-to heatless hairstyles type of video, because I think that could be fun. Anyway, I hope you're having a good day, whatever time it is where you are, and thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing if you are a subscriber, and I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video.